You rolling it? Do it, do it, do it, do it. Much more comfortable in second quad, isn't it?
Yes!
Take your freaking bagitude. I'm gonna drop it.
Suck.
Your phone too. I just put that in your
Hold
bag.
on.
I put it in your bag. Chill.
Oh, man.
Say hi again, Mariah.
My eyes can get all big with it.
Oh, this is such a gnarly hill. I hate this fucking thing.
Look at the grove.
Huh?
No, look at the grove. Just videotape it for a
The
while.
grove?
Yeah.
The beautiful fairy grove? Go, Mariah. Where the hell are you going? Shush, 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 shush. Mariah, what the hell are you doing? Why is it all my slip knot?
Well, you get down by the way I use my walk, I'm a woman. No time at all.